Hey everyone, this is Madhu. I am here again with a new video. So, in this video, we are going to learn a question tag. So, what is a question tag? Question tag is a small question added at the end. Means a sentence can be positive or negative. At the last, we add a small question. We call it a question tag. So, let's start the video. First, we will learn about rules and then we do some practice. So first here, what is the question here? A question tag. What is a question tag? A question tag is a short question added to a statement. It is used to confirm the statement that has been made. It can be positive or negative. The first rule. What is the definition? This is the definition of the question tag. The question tag, a question tag, first you see, a question tag is a short question, is a small question. In simple words, if we say it, so it is a small question added to a statement. Any statement there, statement can be positive or negative. At the last, we keep, you see here, it is used to confirm the statement that has been made. It can be positive or negative. The statement we had made and we want to reply, the listener, it replied to us at the same time. We want to confirm his answer. He is ready or not? So, at that time we add a question tag at the end. So, question tag, two type can be there, positive or negative. The next rule is there. The subject of a question tag is always a pronoun. So, in a question tag, subject we use only pronouns. Noun we cannot use here. Positive statements have a negative tag. All the positive statements, that positive sentences are there. There we use a negative tag. Negative statements have a positive tag, and that statements, that sentences, they are in the negative. For them we add a positive sentence. That means negative statement, positive tag, positive statement, negative tag. Negative tag always opposite of the sentence. The helping verb repeats itself in the tag. Helping verb means what helping verb we had used in the sentence is am, are, was, were, can, maybe whatever there we had used there. That same helping verb we repeat in our tag also. A V2 takes did in the tag. V2 takes did. That means statement, simple past statement there. In simple past we don't use any helping verb. If a statement is a positive, affirmative statement there. So as a helping verb we use did. If V1 takes do does in the tag, that means if your statement is a simple present, then also we use V1 and we don't use any helping verb in the positive sentences, affirmative sentences. So in that case we have to use do or does. Do or does rule I will explain you, as I think everyone know. Do is for plurals and does we use for the singulars. Usually has the tag aren't. I am. If here am helping verb there, but if we have we have to make a negative statement. Am we cannot use amn't like that. As is, isn't, wasn't we use. Amn't we don't use. So am always take aren't. I am takes aren't. Used to has a question tag with a did. If helping verb used to there in your sentence, then we don't repeat used to in a question tag. We use did in place of used to. An imperative can be made into a polite request by adding a positive question tag with a will, shall. If your sentence, imperative sentence there, imperative statement there, then we use a polite request. We make a polite request by adding question tag will or shall we will use there. So now let's practice some sentences there and frame some tags. He tells the truth. अब he tells the truth. Notice it, verb on here, it is V1, it is not V2, and you can see there in the statement no helping verb there. So in this case, what should we do? So let's first you see a simple sentence I am writing here for you. He is good. I written here, he is good. When we add tag, then what should we do? First we will keep a comma, full stop not there, we use a comma. And here helping verb given there, the same helping verb we after comma we write here. That means we repeat it again. So here is. Now before I told you statement positive, tag will be negative. Statement negative, tag will be positive. So the statement is positive. So tag must be in negative. So and is not we don't use. Always we use a conjuncted form. So isn't. We will use isn't, not is not. And after the same here pronoun there, this pronoun we will write here and a question mark. He is good, isn't he? That means in simple language we always talk, means we want to confirm the listener there. We want to take his answer at the same time. What he is responding, positive or negative, what he is thinking about our statement. As are you coming? Aren't you? Like that. So now see here no helping verb there. When no helping verb there, then what should we do? We go to verb. Verb is verb 1 or verb 2, means V1 or V2. If it is V1, then a comma, and because it is here singular, he is singular, so we will use statement positive also. That one also we have to notice, statement is positive. So we will use doesn't, and he, the same pronoun we will write here and question mark. Doesn't he? This is the tag for here. Next statement you can see there, the statement negative sentence statement. A negative statement helping verb there. So same helping verb, without thinking same helping verb you will write here. Now does we have written there, because if you doesn't we write, then question tag also will be negative, statement negative, and tag also will be negative. So we don't have to do like that. Statement negative, tag is positive. So what should we do? Does only, and here pronoun we write here. So he doesn't tell the truth, does he? Next, he told the truth. And here you notice there V2, no helping verb there, and main verb V2. It is simple past. So before we had learned there, if V2 there, then we use did. As I told you, comma, no full stop we can use here. So did, statement positive, tag will be negative. Didn't, subject he, didn't he. Next you can see there didn't, statement already negative, so tag must be positive. Did he? Richa will sing a song, statement positive, here helping verb there, will. So this will we write here, will. Now we have to think about that, as simply you are writing doesn't or don't, didn't, like that we use there. But willn't we cannot use. So what is the conjugated form of it? Won't. We will write won't, not willn't. Won't Richa. Before I told you we have to use pronoun only, but here a noun given there. So what should we do? As when we read this name Richa, we understand Richa is a girl. So Richa is girl there. That's why we will write a pronoun here she. Won't she? Richa will not sing a song, comma, statement negative statement, so tag will be positive. Will she? Because Richa is a girl. Richa with the name we are understanding she is a girl. So pronoun be she. We will use she here. Statement he is here. He is here. He is positive. This statement positive. So tag should be negative. Isn't he? Now Mihir can swim well. Mihir can swim well. So can here helping verb what there? We will take can. Can. Now can is here statement positive. Tag will be negative. Can't. Mihir is a boy name with the name. It is clear there. It is a boy. So here subject will be he. Can't he? Isn't, you can see that tag. He has sold his old car. Statement positive, helping verb has. Has and statement positive, tag should be negative. Hasn't. He should he could help me. Here statement positive, helping verb could. So we will write couldn't. Couldn't he? Question mark at the end. They shouldn't tell lies. Shouldn't negative statement there. So tag will be positive. Should they? Because they already pronoun. So as it is we write here. Should they? Next, I am your friend. Already I told you, amant we don't write, we write for am, we write aren't. In the negative, if positive there, am I we can write, but in the negative, not amant, it will be aren't. So, statement positive, we will write aren't. Aren't I. Pronoun I. Aren't I. Tag. Next statement is there. He used to come here. Already I told you used to. He used to come here daily. A statement here you can see there. Used to. Used to. We use did with used to. We don't repeat used to. So here what can be there? Used to is a positive statement there. So tag should be negative. How we write? Didn't he? It is question tag. Did it for used. Now you see stop that noise. It is imperative sentence. So imperative can be made into polite request. So imperative there. Stop that noise. So how we make a statement here? We add a question tag here. Will you? Tag. Will you? Let's go for a walk. Here it is also, it will be a polite request. Let's go for a walk. So think what should be here. We will write shall we. It is polite request. Will you? Shall we? In this way a polite request we will make. So that's all in this video. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, turn on all notifications to stay tuned. And don't forget to share my video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.